Well, guess what finally arrived? Time for an unboxing. The all-new Mavic 4 Pro Creator Bundle. Like in years past, we have this really nice carry case. I actually like this one better because it's black and looks nice. Up in the top has a zipper, some stickers, and some things. First off, the battery charger with 3 batteries. And then we have a bag with lots of all the spare propellers, which you get. Then we have all the spare propellers, which with the fly mount combo you get 2 complete replacement sets. And then this box, I'm assuming, has all the different cables for anywhere in the world for the charger system. This will be the one that I need. And then we have the remote control. It's funny, there's no plastic on the screen. Interesting. And of course, wow, this is bigger than I expected. It's noticeably bigger than the Mavic 3. And there we have the body of the Mavic 4. Pop that off. That actually pops off pretty easily. A little protector on there. Look at that. Not as many stickers on this as there have been in years past, so I'm okay with that. And then down underneath where the controller was, we have the high-speed data cable, just like the Mavic 3, and the 240 watt super duper fast charger, which I'm going to put to use right now. There you go. Everything you get with the Creator Combo. Now you might be wondering how I got my hands on a Mavic 4, being that I'm in the US and technically this drone is not for sale in the United States. DJI didn't send this to me. I purchased it from Adorama. Somehow Adorama had like 100 units for sale on launch day, and I just happened to go on their website, saw that they had them for pre-order, and they said they would ship the next day, so I thought I'd take the chance, pre-ordered it, and yes, it shipped the next day. Now, those sold out, I think, probably within an hour, but I happened to get one, which I'm super excited about. It wasn't insanely expensive. It was definitely more than you paid in Canada or anywhere else in the world, because, well, yeah. But there will be lots of videos coming. I'm going to test and review this drone specifically. I'm going to compare it with the Mavic 3 and do as many different deep dive comparisons as I can between those two drones, or in that video, and compare it with the Air 3S, maybe the Inspire 3 as well. So let me know in the comments below specific things you want to see tested and compared so that I can do that with this drone. But otherwise, I'm super excited to have this, although a little bit nervous because apparently I can't buy any spare parts for it. I can't get warranty service for it right now. And I also can't buy DJI Care Refresh for it yet because it's not technically for sale in the United States. So, but that's going to be it for now. Next, check out this video here. I'll see you over there. As always, if you have questions, ask me in the comments below, especially if you have things you want me to test on this thing, and let me know. I will see you again soon in the next video. Cheers.